In this video, we will look into the steps on how to resolve login issue in TrueSight Presentation Server Console when the authorization profile for the user cannot be found. These steps need to be performed when you see the error "You are not authorized to use this system" when you log into TSPS Console. You will also see the warning 403 "User doesn't have any auth profile associated" in the TSPS TrueSight.log. The exception in the log indicates that the auth profile for the user cannot be found. For TSPS 11.3, you may also see the warning "No token data in cookie" in the TrueSight.log. This issue can sometimes happen after installing RSSO and migrating data users from ASSO to RSSO. Then you follow the process to upgrade TSPS component. If during the upgrade of TSPS, a restart of TrueSight Infrastructure Management Server is performed for any reason, this will cause the insertion of old BMC RAM tenant name into some TSPS database tables, and Solution Administration Authorization Profile is affected by this. To address this issue, we need to execute some SQL queries in TSPS database to update the auth profile table with the correct tenant name from BMC RAM. Let me show you how the error looks like when you log into TSPS console. Note that we are using the asterisk tenant name and the admin user when trying to log in. This will be the error you will see in the TSPS console. We will now look into the steps on how to address this issue in this demo. First, we need to take a backup of TSPS database by executing command tssh database start backup. Once the backup is completed, go to the path where the Postgres SQL file is located and open the command prompt. This is located in the TSPS Server Home, Modules, PGSQL, bin. In the command prompt, connect to the TrueSight database by running the command psql-d TrueSight-u and the TSPS database user. In this demo, RSSO_user is the TSPS database user. Once connected to the database, run the select query from the auth profile table to check whether the auth profile ID, which you can see in the screen, is assigned to the BMC RAM tenant name. This auth profile ID is the default ID assigned to Solution Administrator user group. Note that they should be assigned to asterisk tenant name since this is the tenant name where admin user is assigned to. You can see that the Solution Administrator auth profile ID is assigned to BMC RAM instead of the asterisk tenant name. We need to assign the auth profile ID to the asterisk tenant name by running the update SQL query as shown in the screen. If we now run the select query from the auth profile table, we should see that the auth profile ID is assigned to asterisk tenant name. We need to restart TSPS server for this to take effect. Once the TSPS server is started, Log in to TSPS Console. You should now be able to log in to TSPS Console without the error. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.